it was a legitimate government program. No, as pointed out very astutely by the former Solicitor General Menandro Guevara, it wasn't a war on drug users. It was a war on drug lords. It was a war on
Yes.
drug syndicates, 'di ba? So legitimate 'yon. No, so napakadelikado itong ginawa talaga ni Bongbong Marcos kasi nga ano yung always go back to why it was that he ran. He didn't run to serve the Filipino people. That should be very clear by now. Very, very clear by now to the Filipino people. I'm pretty sure it's clear to them. No, titingin lang nila all over the place. Hindi talaga nagsilbi ang hayop na to, di ba? He did not run to serve the Filipino people. He ran to steal from us. He ran to perpetuate themselves in power. Katulad ng mga magulang nilang kurakot din at gahaman sa kapangyarihan. Si Martin Romualdez at si Bongbong Marcos ay talagang magkadugo, yung dalawang yan. Nag-asawa pa ng ganun din, di ba? So, yan ang... Pero wag niyong sasabihin na hindi natin sila kaya. Kayang-kaya natin. Napakita na natin 'yon, nagawa natin. Gawin natin ulit, no?